Upgrading to a smart garage door opener adds convenience, security, and complete control from the palm of your hand. We'll guide you through the installation process step by step. Before you start, grab all the necessary gear to get the job done. Make sure you have the correct materials, parts, and information required to set up the kit. Always use safety goggles and gloves. Disconnect power before working on any opener. If you're replacing an old opener, unplug the motor, detach the door arm, and remove the mounting hardware from the ceiling. Then, take down the old wall control and safety sensors. Now ensure the garage door is in good working condition and clear the space. Check that your garage door is balanced by lifting it halfway. If it stays in place, you're good to go. Inspect the hardware, then clean the tracks. If the garage door spring is not in proper working condition, hire a professional to repair, replace, or adjust as needed. Confirm a ceiling outlet is nearby and that a strong Wi-Fi signal reaches the garage. Clear the floor in the workspace and review the manual in full for model-specific installation instructions. To install the new smart garage door opener, first assemble the rail and motor. For a secure and smooth install, you must use the provided brackets and supplies in the kit, even when upgrading from an old opener. Check that the rail lines up with the exact center of your garage door. Mount the motor securely to the ceiling joist using the new brackets. Now, install the header bracket above the garage door. Secure the red emergency release handle to the carriage. Connect the door arm to the trolley and bracket. Make sure the arm sits straight and moves smoothly. Mount one safety sensor on each side of the garage door, securing them about 6 inches above the floor. Run wires along the wall using clips to keep everything tidy and then ensure alignment. When aligned correctly, the indicator lights stay solid. Misaligned sensors will prevent the door from closing. Now, let's fasten the wall control near the entry door. Run the low voltage wires up to the opener. Some smart units feature wireless or touchscreen panels. Follow your manufacturer's instructions for setup. Plug in the opener and use the remote or wall control to test door operation. Adjust force and travel limits using panel controls until the door opens and closes smoothly. Connect to Wi-Fi by downloading the manufacturer's app and following the prompts. Next, pair your opener with your smart home ecosystem to enable voice control, automations, and scheduling. Set up notifications, guest access, and security controls like two-factor authentication. This ensures only trusted users can control your garage. Open and close the door using the app. Confirm sensor alerts, remote access, and other configured settings. Then troubleshoot any connectivity issues. And to ensure the best performance, routine maintenance is recommended. That's it. Your smart garage door opener is installed.